Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So let's get into it. Number 1, double check your region code and mobile number. Make sure to type the correct mobile number to get a security code. Number 2, restart your phone. Restarting recalibrates a few things in a smartphone. Number 3, update WhatsApp. Due to an outdated WhatsApp, you might face issues getting a security code. You can head to Google Play Store and install pending WhatsApp updates on your phone. Number 4, contact WhatsApp support. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Help, select Contact Us. Explain that you're not receiving the verification or security code. Select Next or send via email and follow the on-screen instructions. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.